Boost safety and visibility with StoneRidge's MirrorEye camera monitor system. Built for the toughest job site conditions, MirrorEye gives operators a reliable, real-time view of their surroundings on any machine. By replacing bulky mirrors with compact cameras and high-resolution monitors, MirrorEye minimizes blind spots and maximizes situational awareness. Whether driving a combine through a field, reversing a tractor with a trailer, or operating an excavator or wheel loader on a crowded construction site, operators gain a wider perspective, reducing the risk of collisions with people, vehicles, or obstacles. MirrorEye delivers performance in every condition. Infrared color night vision ensures clarity in the dark. Heating elements keep lenses clear in freezing weather, and a hydrophobic coating prevents rain, snow, or dust from blocking the view. With MirrorEye, operators work more precisely, avoid costly damage, and keep operations moving efficiently. It's more than a camera system. It's a game changer for safer, more productive work sites. MirrorEye, the ultimate vision solution for agriculture and heavy equipment. StoneRidge, moving mobility forward.